In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create watchlist on Tradingview. First, let's open the watchlist panel. On the top right of your Tradingview workspace, look for the icon that looks like a small bulleted list. Click that, and your watchlist panel will slide out on the right side of the screen. If it's already open, great, you are ready for the next step. Now, let's create a brand new list so you can keep your symbols organized. At the top of the watchlist panel, you'll see the current list name with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that arrow, choose Create New List, and then type a clear, memorable name. Think about how you'll use it. Maybe it's for a specific sector, a trading strategy, or a time frame. When you enter the name, your new list becomes the active one, giving you a clean slate to start adding symbols. With the list created, it's time to add symbols. In the top right corner of the watchlist panel, click the plus icon labeled Add Symbol. This opens a search field so you can quickly populate your list. In the search bar, type either the ticker symbol or the full company name. As results appear, select the exact asset you want to track. You may notice multiple entries for the same company. These typically represent different exchanges or contract types. Choose the one that matches where you trade or the market you want to follow. Repeat this process to build out your list, adding as many assets as you need. Take a moment to verify each selection so your watchlist reflects the precise instruments you intend to monitor. Finally, let's customize your lists to keep everything tidy. At the top of the watchlist panel, click the down arrow or the three dots menu. From here, you can rename a list if you want to refine its purpose. Copy a list to create a quick variation without starting from scratch. Or manage your existing lists to keep your workspace streamlined. A quick rename helps you stay consistent, and copying is especially useful when you are testing small changes to a group of symbols. That's it. Thanks for watching.